So in this video, we are installing, what are we installing, MJ? We are installing fog lights. Do you call this fog lights? Driving lights.
Fog lights.
For his MT09. We are using a relay kit for our Pajero. So we are going to be modifying this. Of course, we need a relay for things like this. And we are installing
turn signals,
those switchbacks. And that's it. That's it, right?
Yeah.
And he also bought those brackets that will be mounted here. So these lights will be here.
Yep.
So let's do this. So relay will be here inside. So I already thought of this earlier. We will put this under the tank. We will put the switch here. Then of course we will route this here. Positive switch will go to the positive of the park light. Negative will go to the ground. This will be the switch to the relay, which will be under the tank. And that's it. This will be routed under the tank. This goes to the left light, because there's two. And this will go to the right. So that's the plan. Or we can just keep it like this.
Yeah.
We're done. Okay. So the light came with this. So in my analysis, you will have, this is the original grommet for the signal light. So you will put this in. Like so. And then this will be inside the plastic, and then this will be outside, like so. So for the wiring, black is ground, blue with a red stripe is spark, brown is signal. I mean turn signal. So for the aftermarket switchback, of course black again is ground, white is spark, and then yellow is signal. So we are going to wrap this with this shrink wrap.
Aray! Puta.
Huli ka sa video. So, here's the relay. Here's the fuse. And of course, we attach it to positive and then negative. This is the switch side. This is the power side, which goes under the tank. And then which goes to the light. And the switch goes to here. A little bit discreet, but maybe next time we will put it here.
Aray.